Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited today. Are you excited? I'm excited. Today I have a package, IL Makiage. So let me just tell you real quick what happened and why I chose to get some IL Makiage, and I never heard of them before before seeing an ad on Instagram. So I am not really a makeup wearer. I only wear it occasionally. So I've literally had a tube of MAC foundation for years. So one time I purchased a bottle of foundation from getting one of those free makeovers, but I threw away my bottle before I got more. So I was like, the malls are closed. I can't go to Dillard's. I can't go to MAC. I'm gonna just be without foundation. I don't know what to do unless I like what's in this box. So on the little ad on Instagram, you can go on there and scroll to basically have them send you your correct shade. And it's supposed to be, I guess the tagline for this makeup is woke up like this. So it's supposed to be like very well matched to your skin tone. You know, they're supposed to, after answering a series of questions, give you what best shade works for you, what best works for your skin, whether it be dry or oily. And so I just answered these questions to the best of my ability, and they sent me this. And I also want to include the fact that it's like risk-free, because it's like, I don't know if I can trust that. They, you know, I'm not in the store, they're not matching shades with me. Well, they'll send you a bottle. I think I had to pay like $5 shipping, but I'll verify. But they'll send you a bottle, and then if you like it, you keep it, and they charge you about $40 later. And then if you don't like it, you have like 14 days to ship it back and tell them you don't like it. I just want to let you guys know, if you're interested in this hairstyle, because that's what I usually do, go ahead and click the link there. So I only have on some eye makeup right now, but I really just want to start on a nice fresh face. So I'm gonna put this up for a second. I got some coconut oil on my paper towel. Okay, this is cute. How it works. Try these products. These products are yours to try for 14 days, starting on the day they were delivered. That's good, because it took like a week and a half. Love it or return it. If you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, visit ilmakiage.com, return, download, yada, yada, yada. So it gives little instructions. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Blend out with a brush or a sponge. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Oh, what is this? So it says waterproof lip liner. And this is what we want. So they sent me shade 215. So I'm a dark skinned girl. This thing says dramatic pause, please. They are feeling themselves. I better be feeling myself after this. Shoot. It says flawless base foundation. I honestly don't know the difference. With MAC, I just put on the foundation, put on some mascara, and felt good about myself. So I hope this thing don't get too complicated. Alright, so bumps on the forehead. I can't remember what they said. Is it coming out? Oh, there we go. Ooh, that looks like a lot. Yikes. I think I'm gonna just do that. I can't remember what they said to do, but this looks like a lot. Okay, let's see here. Whoa. I swear I chose the right pictures. And ain't none of them look like this. Let me just keep blending. But my parade just got rained on. Let me just go ahead and put this back in the mail right now. Can I keep that little lip liner? I had high hopes. I had high hopes for you. Actually, crazily, I'm talking a lot of junk, but it looked like the more I blend, the more it looks. They did say 15 minutes to set. I mean, okay. Honestly, I might have taught that jump for nothing. It looked really bright. Like you gotta admit that jump was like. But I don't know. Maybe they got some type of setting chemistry or something that I just need to wait, like the box said. So it's been about 3 hours now, and the shade, okay, it blended fine. I'll give you that. But there looks like nothing is on my face. Like, there's a reason people put on makeup, okay? So we just want like a little bit, you know, a little bit of something. I can't necessarily say this is like bad, but in case you're wondering about buying it, this is my 2 cents. Give it some time to match. Know that it's not like full coverage or something. I'm just gonna assume this is not full coverage, and it's $40. So I took it upon myself to go to Walgreens. And I didn't mean for this to be like a versus video, like E.L. Makiage versus drugstore makeup, but that's just, hey, way the cookie crumble. So, Maybelline New York foundation, what's this? Superstay, full coverage. And the reason I got this is because it said full coverage, so that made me feel better about everything. The second one I got, L'Oreal Paris Infallible foundation. The reason I got this is because I saw it on a quick Google search. Just being honest. Lastly, I got E.L.F Flawless Satin Foundation. Y'all, let me tell you, if this works, my mind will be blown. Okay? If E.L.F specifically. So all of these with tax came out to $35. So that's 3 foundations for less than the price of that one. So the L'Oreal Infallible was $14.99. The Maybelline full coverage was $11.99. And the E.L.F was $6. I'm gonna try that E.L.F first, because like if that $6. None of these came in any fancy packages or nothing. I'm just have to figure it out. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This looks about as bright as E.L. Makiage. And this was the brightest one they had. But I mean, this was the darkest one they had. For a makeup line with a $6 foundation, I mean, I'm not expecting them to have, what is what does Rihanna have? Like 51 shades? Yeah, I'm not expecting that. You know what else worked my nerves was when I would go try to get this foundation, and I think I'm gonna just stop putting this on. Anyway, when I would try to get foundation and it would go from like it went from milk chocolate to like 98% cocoa. Like, where is the dark chocolate? Where is the half milk, half dark? Where is the 60% cocoa? Like, dang. Oh boy. I think I want to try Maybelline New York. That boy watery. Okay. Maybe I just am colorblind. All of these makeups are coming out this color. This one's definitely better, but I don't know if it might be too cakey or if it's just because I put too much on. The more I look in the mirror, the more I think it might be too light, which is unfortunate because I only have one option left. Let me let it sit for a minute. Let's go see what the hubby thinks. Verdict's in. He said it looked too powdery. That's also what I thought. All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and try Loreal Infallible. Okay. It's not shocking me out the gate like all those other ones, so that's good. At least. I think out of the three, this is the darkest one I got. No, that's a lie, because E.L.F is dark in the canister or whatever. This is the one I have on now. This is the closest I've gotten to my skin tone besides the E.L Makiage. I'll let it rest and then see what I think. I don't know if I'm just looking at my face too long today, or if I should just go with this. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna keep it. Okay guys, so I had a little bit of time to think. I had this makeup on, well, not I had it on, but I've been wearing this makeup for about 4 or 5 days now, and I think it really grew on me. Out of all the makeups I tried, I thought the last one I had on was going to be the one I was going to stick with, but it wasn't. It just looked a little too dark for me, and I guess not enough yellow or red or whatever color. And so out of all the ones I've tried, I'm sticking with the IL Makiage. If you're looking at these videos, particularly trying to decide if you should follow through with this Instagram makeup brand, or if you already bought it and you want to know if you should keep it, I would challenge you to see if the ladies that you're watching gave it a fair chance and worn it for a certain amount of days, rather than just taking it at face value like I did at first and saying, no, this is getting sent back. Because I really think after wearing it for a while that I've seen that it really does match me well, and it's okay that it's not covering all of my blemishes and everything else. So I'm okay with it, and it makes me look nice still. And so the only thing I'm wearing right now is the IL Makiage foundation, a little mascara, and some Vaseline on my lips, and I think it's fine. So I don't think it's as good as MAC so I won't be reordering, but for now, I think it works. Yeah, so I hopefully you didn't hopefully you watched up until this point to see my revelation of an explanation for you guys and a good review, but I would recommend this brand. I do like it and I think it looks well on my skin.